I'm braking as hard as I can, hoping that the trailer doesn't lock up. Nearly get him. Here it is.
Houston.com. At Air Specialist, we believe a good name is earned, not given. With every AC repair, we dedicate ourselves to the craftsmanship and precision that you would expect from a specialist.
Even try to bite my tongue on the stars. Now you're texting all my friends, asking questions and never even.
Well, here I am westbound on Highway 22, headed over to Scott's, Miracle Grow, and Independence. Got a good following distance here, going through this major intersection, and everything comes to a screaming halt. I hit my brakes as hard as I can.
What an idiot. You idiot! Passing with a heavy load uphill with limited sight.
That is what I was told. I have no way to prove it. Can you bring a fingernail file? I brought her one. Okay. I want to trim off my nails and file them. They keep breaking in here. This is miserable. I want out of this place. Shit. Oh, crap, that was close. Damn. Did that guy totally miss that you were next to him?
Should have seen him because he was in the far left lane.
He was coming from behind.
Make them lose their minds, they done lost it anyway.
Yeah, this day and time, very true.
All the road rage and crap going on, that's why I've got dash cams in pretty much all my vehicles.
Well, you got one on the shoulder here. They ain't gonna, oh shit, he's pulling out, motherfucker.
I'm hitting the brakes, You got it, jump in.
Stupid motherfuckers, man.
I think we both heated our brakes up on that one.
I think I about shit myself on that one.
We'll send him the dry cleaning bill for your underwear.
Well, that little Ford Explorer up here just almost bit him right in the ass, too.